Hello, friends. Seeing you after a long time because we are going out after a long time to capture the night sky. It has been a horrible season this year. Not even a single day of clear skies, and it is very hazy. The sky quality is very poor over most parts of India, and today also it's pretty poor. But still, we are going, and we are going to our favorite and usual place, hoping to get the first shot of this year. Half the year is gone and we still haven't clicked a single photo. As usual, we'll be stopping on our way for some tea. So see you there. So we have come to our one of our favorite highway joint, Dashmish Dhaba. The vibe is great. I think he has renovated. Saurav renovate किया है? हाँ. This place has been renovated and see the parking. And the best part is it's always empty. No one comes here. I've never seen more than one car over here. But today I can see a family over here and good music. So it's good. This is the scale of farming in India. 11,000 square feet. Yes, square feet, not acres. So they are farming on 11,000 square feet. This person, this person here has a 12,000 square feet plot where he has made his house. So he's a farmer technically because in 11,000 square feet you can do farming. Tea was good, but it was 30 rupees, but it was big size. Tea was big size. I don't know why the cameraman did not record the tea part because I think he was also busy having tea. So now we are going to our location, uh, 55 kilometers away from Nagpur, and we'll check out the 11,000 square feet farm also on the way. अब क्या रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है? जो करना था चाहे वो तो किया नहीं। हाँ, बहुत नहीं है। ले निकाल सामान। So now frame is straight and we are trying to capture the time lapse of the Milky Way between these two trees. And I've kept a 15-second shutter speed, f3.5, 2500 ISO, auto white balance, 2 second, and timer. No, we are putting on interval mode. So now we are set. Now we have nothing to do. So we'll talk nonsense in the vlog.
And do nothing.
So I have used Lumix now for 5 minutes and I can say it's a nonsense camera because you do not need a separate dial for time lapse or anything. You just go in the menu, start time lapse, and it should start. What is the meaning of separate dial?
So this one is
What is this?
complaining
There is no need for dial.
ease of use.
There is no ease of use.
There
You need minimum buttons to use during the night. You don't need 4 or 5 dials to achieve the same thing, which can be done in one click. So I do not know about the output, but I can say the interface is very cluttered and I am
or very
canceling Lumix. This is what we do maximum time. Just wait because the camera is doing its thing. And we are poor people. We have only one camera. So we cannot do much. There are many frames to get here, but since we have only one camera, it's pointless moving it around because we are trying for time lapse. And also we only have one tripod and today I also don't have my trusted wallet with me. So cannot get those epic shots. But anyways, it's very warm and I think the temperature should be above 30s only. We are in the jungle, but still it's very warm. And thankfully we have got some water with us. We'll be staying here for another 45 to 50 minutes. So we'll get a 10-second time lapse. You do not turn because you'll spoil the shots, but there are clouds already interfering with our work, but the clouds will look cool with the time lapse. So hopefully we should get something good. Now, yes, Saurabh can join now. And Saurabh is still using his 15-16-year-old camera which gives him good results. He's a Nikon user, crop sensor, first generation D7000, and it still works very nice. If it was Lumix, I think he would have given up on this hobby like 15 years ago. But I still am struggling to find relevance to this hobby now because of AI, because people do not get impressed only easily nowadays on the internet. They can say you do so much mehnat, you go 55 kilometers and this is what you click. So that is a bit disheartening for us, because actually we spend whole night and sometimes we do not get good results. Sometimes we get good results, but still we cannot beat AI. So people are very easily disappointed, and it's very hard to please people in today's time. So sometimes when I get such comments, it demotivates us. But still, it's part of the job. All right, so we'll wait it out now.
Why does Saurabh gets good result even with 15, 16-year-old camera?
So Saurabh here is with me, and believe it or not, he is shooting with the first generation of Nikon crop sensors camera, D7000, which is almost 15 years old, and his lens is also very old, but he still gets very awesome shots and as good as a modern day Sony or mirrorless cameras. Why? Because it's not about the camera, it's about the person, the skill, and the planning which goes before the shot, which is location scouting, weather, timing of the moon phase, and post processing is also a part, but it is also the skill factor which AI cannot replicate for you. So gear does not matter so much. I have stressed it many times. Gear can get you to one level. Once you reach that level, you upgrade your gear. But maximum number of people are not utilizing their current gear only properly. Because if you get a mobile phone at this location, you will be matching any camera. So that is the most important thing. And we have proven it many times that you can get epic shots on older gear also. So do not fret too much about the gear and worry about the more important thing. We have been here since the past 2-3 hours now. It feels like 2-3 hours. It has been only 50 minutes. And I'm already bored now because it's too hot and there's zero wind blowing, and the humidity is also very high. So it's very uncomfortable. But I think we should have at least a 10-second time lapse. So let's go and check it out.
बंद हो गया.
Another night, another epic failure. Conditions were great. The Milky Way was great. The clouds were great. But I don't know why Lumix stopped at only 59 photos. We were supposed to click around about 240, 250 photos for a 10-second time lapse, and it just stopped without warning at 59 photos. And the problem with time lapses is that we cannot stop and check after every few moments. So out of luck, and I don't know what happened. Was no setting which we did wrong. So yes, hopefully the other camera, Nikon 15-year-old camera, has captured some epic photos. So yes, time lapse will be there. So signing off for tonight, and hopefully you like this vlog. And this has been a trend in my vlogs right now, that I always end up with saying this was an epic failure and we could not get it. Last 5 vlogs were all about failures. Hopefully we'll get something good next time. So yes, subscribe for more such failure content.